Assalamualaikum to everyone. Today we would like to present assignment work for subject mobile technology. Firstly, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Nur Fatinalia binti Nur Azhar.
And my name is Idina Shafia binti Sujairi.
Okay, so now we will present our mobile application. So firstly, we need to open the application. Okay, this is the splash screen of the application, and it will direct to the home page application. So we will click the BMI calculator to open the calculator. So now this is the output or the screen for the application. So firstly, we need to choose the gender. First, we will choose the gender for female with the height of 155 and the weight will be 55 kilograms. Okay, then click the calculate your BMI button. Then the application will output this page. It will tell the user the BMI category, which is normal weight, low risk. So there will be icon at the above of the application, which is that means was a normal weight for the user. So the BMI of the user is 22.89. So now we will click the button recalculate your BMI to recalculate another BMI. So now let's say we didn't choose any gender. So we will change the number of height will be 170 centimeter and the weight will be 50 kilogram. Okay, so we will click the calculate your BMI. So the mobile will output the warning, which is select your gender first. So we need to select the gender. We will choose for male. So okay, now we will click the calculate your BMI button. So this is the output for the user, which is the BMI will be 17.30 and the gender is male, while the BMI category is underweight and the health risk is malnutrition risk. So there will be a warning icon at the above of the application. And now we will click the button for recalculate your BMI. This application is storage the input of the user. So it will store the height that before this we input 170. So for the height, the application is keep the data of the user. So the user can recalculate if they want. So next input will be of the gender. We will choose female, and the height will be 157 centimeter, and the weight will be 98 kilogram. Okay, now we will click the calculate your BMI button, and the output will be for the BMI for the user is 39.76 and the gender is female as select before, and the BMI category is severely obese and the health rate is high risk, and there are a cross icon at the above of the application. Now we will click for the home button to back to the home page.
Okay. There is other page on this application, which is we have about and help. So when we click to the about, it will display the info about this application. We can see the copyright and then a little bit of the explanation of the application and then the info about the developer. And then we also have a clickable URL link that direct us to the GitHub. So whenever we click on this link, it will directly open the browser and go to our GitHub. So here we can see the BMI calculator file on the GitHub. And then if we want to go back to our application, we just click on the back button, and then we go here, and then we go click again, and we will back to the main page. Okay. And then next we go to the help page. Help page is where they give it instruction of this how to use this application. So there is several steps. They have step 1, choose your gender, and then step 2, state your height, step 3, state your weight, and then lastly, you just click the button to know your BMI. So that's all from us.
Thank you.
Thank you.